So quick update on the Trackmaster Revolutions D199 shell. Here's where you can find it. Option 1 right there. That's from Steady Dragon LLC. Check that. And option number 2, that's on eBay. So this is the first option. Check the link below on the description. I have this other option, but I'm gonna shut down the Shopify. I don't use that one. Yeah, good prices, but the problem is it's hard, time consuming to maintain a website. I did this before, but I'm gonna shut down the website on Shopify. So every video I'm gonna post, there will be some links, the direct links for these models. The first option and the second option. You can pick either way. Now you have to remember that this needs to be adjusted. You need to remove the side rod, push down the pins, make sure it's kind of not too tight so the wheels spin freely. And this is how it goes. Let me see. There is a slot right there. It needs to go right there. This is for revolutions. This is the only option we have right now. We do not paint or sand anything. It is the way it is, and you can find it. You can find another option on eBay. They do not sand any models. They do not have faces neither. But you can ask them if they can sand the model for you if you want sanded. But 3D printed, the lines are good. There's not bad. And for the price, it's no brainer. The only thing I cannot do at this moment is painting these faces, but I might consider for the near future. But obviously it's a little bit of time consuming to take care of these little things. But I'm going to continue with other models for these available. Here is the other one, but this is for the next video. And question. I read some comments. They say she'll make this like a detachable face in gray shade. Let me know your thoughts so I can start doing that. So probably I'm going to just make look like the back, which is kind of flat, and then make the adapter or slot like this one right here, so we can just attach the face like this one. If you haven't seen my videos, this is how it goes. There is an adapter here, square. I need to clean these things and then goes like so, and perfect, you know. So that will be good to know. Probably some people is commenting, but I base this on the model of the, you know, they show kind of yellow faces, but could be another option. And I'm gonna post another video about the next incoming models. If you have any suggestions or you need one of specific models that I can or might do it for you, let me know and I work on that one. But this is what we have so far right now. Remember, you need to paint these wheels. So there is only the shell, there's nothing else. It's included, just the top. It's nice. Okay, I'm gonna continue.